Here's the easiest way to do ring nails. First, apply 2 coats of the base color, and then apply the matte top coat. Wipe the surface with ethanol to prevent the mirror powder from sticking. Use clay gel. Clay gel is a gel that has the consistency of clay. Use a toothpick to take out a little bit. Shape it a little with your fingers. If you make it round like this, knead on a piece of aluminum foil. We'll make the ring part of the ring nail, so make it long and thin. As thick and long as you like. Once it's done, place it on the nail. Stick or toothpick if you don't have one, to remove excess clay gel. If there are any areas of concern, please keep them in place. Roll out the clay gel left over from the previous removal. Put it in the middle. Take out the stone, which is the key to the ring nail, and shape with a silicone stick. rub the mirror powder. Mirror powder. Use ethanol to remove any mirror powder that cannot be removed. Wiping top gel over the mirror powder. It's done. It's cute as is, but you can also apply a non-wiping top gel to the entire image. Gel makes it easy to make difficult re-nails. Clay gel can also be used to create a variety of other designs, so it's useful to have one on hand. Thank you for watching.